If you want to customize the control center on Redmi Note 15 Pro or 15 Pro Plus, what you can do is you can go to the control center, and then over here at the bottom we have Edit button, which we can use in order to decide which options should be available in the control center and which options should not. So if we scroll down, we have system toggles and also app toggles, so you can tap on these plus buttons in order to add something to the list. So for example, we can add location services. We can tap on this check in the upper right corner, and now we can use the location services button to turn on or off location, of course. Besides that, we have additional buttons here in this section. So for example, you can have the Google Home button or Xiaomi Smart Hub. And these options can also be toggled. They can be, for example, hidden. So if we go to settings, we can scroll down to the, let me actually try to remind myself. It is in notifications in status bar, yeah. And if we scroll down, we have control center section. If you disable device controls, then you will hide the Google Home button. As you can see now, it is back on. And also we have the Xiaomi Smart Hub, which looks like this. And that is pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.